friends, it's Sheri here, and in this video we are reacting to Dawn's Stupid Cool music video. I think a lot of the times these days Dawn just kind of gets like, labeled as Hyunna's boyfriend or Hyunna's fiance. Well, honestly, Dawn has some really interesting musical stuff, and a lot of his songs, like he releases songs that are fun and doesn't really take himself that seriously. I think that is a part of K-pop we're really missing. I feel like K-pop songs nowadays take themselves too seriously, and Dawn doesn't do that. So let us watch this. Just from the name, it's called Stupid Cool. Like, if it's serious, that is an achievement in itself. So let's go. Windows 94, let's go. Internet Explorer. Oh, guitar. What are you?
넌 잘 모르겠지만 비밀인데 사실 난 널 위해 태어나 네가 찌푸리지만 말 안 해도 잘 알아 나도 토 나와 저기 있잖아 you 애매 아름다운 한상의 인간
I don't understand the stylings for this song.
너란 될 거야 아마 너의 favorite 너 만드는 Grammy song
Love it. Oh. Interesting. Are those like ikea?
너로 채운 memory 비어 만드는 멜로디 내 코들 새 없이 매 밤새 부르는 세레나데 예열할 여유도 없이 나 때는 심장을 relax 진심 말해 뭐해 가라사대 일곱 빛 따로 flex you 애매 우린 레코드처럼 빠졌어 fall in love oh baby you 애매 sad ending 없는 story 울려 퍼져 wedding song
This is so wild. It's like it's got elements of rock. Drop.
이런 적이 없어 난 원래 겁이 없어 난 근데 네 옆에서만 작아져만 가는 girl 그래 이제 알아 난 오직 난 너 하나만 사랑할 수 없지만 나쁘지 않다는 girl 얼어붙은 날 살짝 때문에 입술 사이엔 꽃향기를 가득 머금지 그거 너무 감미로워 You feel like 너 뻔하디 뻔한 사랑 노래 병신 같지만 좀 멋있어
Is that their routine?
Go stupid,
Oh my.
go stupid, go stupid, go stupid.
I'm a bit stupid
Go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid.
I'm a bit stupid
Go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid.
I'm a bit stupid
Go stupid,
That's a hot dog.
go stupid, go stupid.
I'm a bit stupid
Me at the start of this video. Dawn doesn't take himself that seriously. Dawn proves me exactly right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My gosh. My gosh. That was interesting. That was very interesting. I was speechless for most of that because I had no clue what was going on, and that was very in an essence very K-pop. Very K-pop like the 2010s K-pop where nothing took itself that seriously. It gave me vibes of like G-Dragon's Crayon, not the song, but just like the music video and like the the absurdity of it all, because that's all I can say about this is it's like quite absurd, but it's not bad. I like the elements of rock and punk. The rap was kind of cool, and then just I don't the drop or that chorus, like the very interesting. Very interesting. I don't know if I'd say I love it. I definitely like it. I don't know if it's a song I'd listen to on repeat, but I feel like it is very refreshing compared to a lot of stuff that is out there nowadays. So, like that. Yeah, I generally do like it. I want more of this stuff that doesn't quite like take itself that seriously, where it's just like, yeah, stupid cool. I'm cool sometimes. Sometimes I'm stupid. You know, like, you know, when K-pop made absolutely no sense instead of everyone else trying to be cool. I said what I said. You know, just have fun with it. I think a lot of elements of like K-pop and songs now where it's just like so serious, or trying to be so cool, or trying to be like so like hip, and it's just like, just have fun with it, have fun with music. And I think I definitely do see Dawn flourishing under P Nation, where I'm guessing like he has much more creative control. If I can find like who worked on this song, composer Dawn, and someone's name that I'm gonna butcher, so, and then lyrics by Dawn. Lyrics by Dawn. Okay, that explains a lot now. But yeah, that was really cool. I really did like it. I think I do look forward to seeing like more of who Dawn is as an artist, outside of the fact that, you know, he's like Hyunna's fiance, because I feel like a lot of times when he makes like headlines, or when the two of them are talked about now, it's like, you know, as a pair, when they are both very strong artists in their own right. And I think Dawn definitely has a lot to prove, just in the fact that he has like less songs out currently, so he has like more to build, I guess. But yeah, I definitely look forward to seeing more things from Dawn, more things from Hyuna, more things from P Nation. I think P Nation's awesome. P Nation, can you sign me? I have no talent, but I'll work hard. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you thought about this video. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you agree with what I'm saying about songs taking themselves too seriously nowadays? Feel free to disagree, you know? You're wrong, but no, feel free to disagree. And smash that like button if you also want to join P Nation. I am sorry, I am so bad at self-promo. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see my next video.